me to be here today at the opening of Add-on Development. I must say, looking back to April 2007, when you were part of the IT delegation, Per, and now we have a fully fledged company, a fully fledged joint venture. I think this shows, first of all, the commitment of the Danish partner to work seriously with Vietnam, and maybe more importantly, that the potential of Vietnamese employees in this sector is really huge. There is no doubt that the IT sector will be one of the growth sectors in Vietnam for the benefit of the economy and certainly also for those employed in that sector. Now there is a huge future for this company if you can sell to all Microsoft customers around the world. Of course, I'm very proud that Danida, through Danish government funds, can give a little contribution to this joint venture. But I think one should always remember that in business, it is the bottom line which counts. So you are on your own, you make the profit. And I want today to wish Add-on Development, its owners and its employees all the best. I wish you a very happy future. Thank you, man.
At komme til Vietnam har vi mulighed for at være en af de første. Vi har mulighed for at gå ud og finde de bedste af de bedste, opgradere dem til en vesteuropæisk vidensniveau, og så drage dem ind i vores forretning på et godt grundlag.
So we have the knowledge, we have the know-how, we have the knowledge transfer from the Danish company as well as from the Vietnamese company. So we have the best combination of the knowledge, technology, experience and the know-how.
Ja, men nu kan man jo sige, at vietnamesere med en stor del under 30 år, jeg tror det er 60%, de er friske fra universitetet af, de har et højt uddannelsesniveau, de er meget vestligt orienteret, de vil altså meget gerne arbejde med vestlige firmaer. Og der kan man jo se, at vi har de folk, vi har ansat, 25 nu, de er alle sammen meget ambitiøse for at yde de ydelser, som vi nu engang efterspørger. Det er ikke os, der måske siger, at de skal blive her en time ekstra. Det gør det helt af sig selv.